In my last video, I put all the motor mounts in the seal. If you have a clunking noise or the motor comes up and I cannot figure out what it is, I order this arm. I order actually at both sides, left and right, or right or left. And I got this one arrived the other day, and the reason I order it, because I didn't know if it's that or not, but the motor, oh, it comes with a new nut and everything. Cool. The reason I order it is because it's very rusty underneath the car, and I'm thinking maybe one of these bushings are bad, or maybe this one is bad. It's leading the arm to move back and forth. Unfortunately, let's see which one this is from. I think this one, nope. I'm trying to figure it out. Oh yeah, this is the on the right side, the one that I need. And I want to do that. I also got the brakes that I want to do in the car today. So I'm going to lift the car in the air and put the jacks underneath, and I'm going to start working on it. Hopefully that can take the problem that I have in the suspension problem, because as soon as you see the last video, we backed out of the driveway. As soon as that, it's like boom, boom, boom. So I don't know if it's one of the bushing is bad here or here. When you drive, make the car move back, because this should make the car a lot steadier. So I'm replacing this. You have to take out the lower control arm, the back arm, the sway bar, and another arm here, and the the ball joint. When I have it in the air, I'm going to have Hannah jump in the car, start putting the car left and right, so maybe I can see underneath what it's doing and go from there. Alright guys, I'm lucky that I bought pads and rotor. Look, metal to metal. This is neither bad rotor bad. So I'm doing that later on. So what I'm doing today is basically, I'm going to do it everything today, but in this video I'm going to have to lose this right here. I'm gonna have to lose this one right here, so this one's attached to that. Then right here, and then this two right here, and these two right here, the whole thing will come out. And of course, this right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Again, if you're doing the lower control arm, you have to do this one right here, this right here, this bolt right there, the other side, these right here, this one, and this one. So that's a 17, 17, 17. It looked like a 14, and another 17. So you guys want to wash, you're welcome to it. That's what I'll be doing, okay? Alright guys, so I've fixed the bolt. It's very easy to do. First you need to find a bolt, a replacement bolt, and make sure the same thread that you want. Then I got this kit from a cobalt, whatever you want to call them. These bits are being lifetime for me, man. They go through metal like nothing. So I use the 5/16. Find the bolt, find the same thread, and I drill it out, you know, and then after I drill it out to make it through, then I grab this and I went and I made it 2-3 times, make sure that I did the other side, clean it up, and then beautiful. So now only thing I need to do is go to the auto parts store, get the sway bar link, get that axle, fluids, and oil filters, and put everything back, and then do the brakes and all that, and I'm done. Then I'm flying by on this thing. Motor mounts were easy to do. Hopefully the transmission get fixed with putting the axle in, and that's it. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Whew. What a freaking mess. Look, I had to even take a shower. But rotors are done. Lower control is done. I put a new axle. I got a package when I was taking a shower. I'm gonna go for a test ride real quick. If this doesn't fix it, then we're gonna need a transmission. So hopefully it does fix it. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a tranny. Alright, just did the brakes on the back on the car. I'm gonna take the e-brake off. So far, so good. I did a mess. Yo, having a CRV is totally different having a Civic. I mean, it's easier to work on this, to work on the Civic. Oh, I still hear this noise. I still hear the noise. Yep. I'm gonna need a transmission. Oh man, that was worse. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Need an alignment. I just did the arm. I need that. I'm gonna need an alarm. I mean, an alarm. Oh Lord. Yeah, that transmission is done. Yeah, that transmission is done. It's not the transmission is bad. It's behind the transmission. You have your differential, let's say, and that differential is around, and that's where your axle bolt into, and then you got transmission over here. The transmission rotate and move the differential that moves the axle. Well, the passenger side axle, the differential is bad, and when it's going straight, it's beautiful. As soon as you turn it to the right or left, you hear that and right there you hear that hit. So I need to get a new transmission. Simple as that. What the fuck, man? Brake now is beautiful. Oh yeah. But my noise from the axe is still going on. So I'm gonna have to get a new transmission. Yeah, look at the steering wheel. Put a new axle, thinking the axle will be the problem and fix it, you know, but it's doing this inside the axle. It's not letting the axle rotate. So at this point, I'm gonna need to pull a transmission from somewhere, and I know who got one. The problem is, will he let it go for a good price? Actually, he got everything. He got the whole wheel drive mission, whole wheel drive. I'm gonna have to buy the whole car. Damn, I don't have a place to the whole car. All right, I got a friend of mine, Jose Martinez. He does have, this is the one that hooked me up with this window switch right here. He does have one of these all-wheel drive, but I don't have a place to put another one. I need a differential, I need a transmission, if he has it. Well, I guess I'm gonna look for a tranny for now. I mean, I got the exhaust system that's here. I got the exhaust system. It's right behind me. I'm gonna need a transmission. I have the exhaust system right here that just came in, and I got an arm. It's coming in this week. So with that said, I did the arm. I did the loader control arm. I did the brakes, pads. I did the rotors and pads, and the loader control arm. Bushing on the sway bar link. And now I want to do the complete exhaust system on the car. On top of that, I'm going to do I have to do this arm, that I'm coming. And I do the speaker. Speaker's easy to do it. It's taking me about 10-20 minutes. The transmission, as another case, is different. I gotta get it training somehow, somewhere. Alright guys, thank you for watching. It was a long day for me. Hope you like this video. And you guys later. Thank you for subscribing.